guys, what's up? So I'm really happy. I want to show you guys my Lexus IS300. It's a 5-speed, so I just cleaned it and waxed it. So here's how she looks. She looks really clean. I've done some body work to it to begin with since I've gotten it. Patched up the rust over here. Same thing for between the fender over here. So I'm gonna take a back shot. Here it is. Here's how she looks. Pretty clean. I still have some work to do to it. I got to remove the paint, remove the scratches in the paint. Have to do some maintenance. Alright, so I want to show you guys as well the inside of the car. So let's do that. So here's the inside. It's a 5-speed model, and let's start her up for you guys. Alright, here we go. So she has 312,000 kilometers on it, approximately 193,000 miles, and here's the side and the back. Everything's clean. Really nice car. That's my favorite car, so I like it very much, and I have big plans for her. I gotta take care of an exhaust leak I have after the exhaust manifold. So after my second cat, I have to replace the gaskets. They're kind of corroded, so I have to do that, and I have to do timing belt and water pump change very soon. Here we go. So here it is, guys. Here's the 2JZ. I have to clean my engine bay as well, so she got some work I gotta do, but overall very nice. So here it is.
We about to turn it on.